Once upon a time, in a village, there was a cloth merchant living with his beautiful wife and 2 children. They were very happy and had everything they needed. But his wife was greedy.
Hey, honey. I want to tell you something very important. I had a great deal yesterday, and now our business will be more beneficial. And not only that, but also we can provide the best facilities to our children. I am also thinking of giving you a wonderful surprise tonight.
Thank God. You at least thought about me. If you can't give me a worthy life, I am going to leave you soon, poor man.
Honey, I have told you several times not to give our money to your parents, because they are already very prosperous. I don't think so. They need it. Why don't you think about our children? If we don't save our money, we wouldn't be able to give them a good life. They are our future. We should focus on them, not anybody else.
I am gonna leave you and go to hell. If you can't support me and my parents, there is nothing left than go to hell. I don't care about you and your children. I can find a rich man for myself. Don't follow me. Enough is enough. I can't bear you anymore. I said don't follow me, poor man.
My love, please. I beg you, don't leave me. We have a family. If you leave me, the whole family will be destroyed. Please come back. What should I do now? I love her, but she loves her parents more than me and my kids.
It's very bad news. This greedy woman will leave my friend and his father and sister. I should tell him as soon as possible. Let's save a family. It's important for now.
Dear sister, as you know, our stepmom has left our father, and Dad is extremely sad. I have all my money to give her and take her back. If you have your money, please, let's help Father. I want to see my dad happy.
I love my daddy as well. This is all I have in my purse. Money is nothing in front of family. We should not leave our loved ones for money. I can live without money, but I can't live without my dad.